Heading to bed? Yeah, the little one just ate, and now it's playing with a toy. Now I've got to adapt to having a kitten in the house. I'm probably too used to living alone, so sometimes I see company as a burden. Yeah, there's something I want to speak to you about. I'm thinking about putting it up for adoption and wanted to get your opinion on that. No, I just don't have the time or energy to care for it properly. What do you think about giving it to someone who's experienced and caring? Would you want this kitten? Oh. Want to hear my idea? It might take time to find a suitable owner, so until then, we should raise it together. And this will be your opportunity to learn if you want to keep the cat or not. I'll go with you. We can drop by the pet shop and get some tips on kitten training too. I believe in you. I'll pick you up tomorrow from work. Good night.